Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the construction of the Rogers apartment building. Now the Rogers is currently the tallest building in Jamaica, and it's going to be the tallest building in Kingston for quite some time. But it won't be the tallest building in Jamaica much longer. There are actually two developments that are going to be taller than 20 floors. One is the mega project, the Pinnacle, which is going to be 4 towers at 28 floors each, and a hotel. I'm not sure if it's a Unique or it's going to be the Hard Rock Hotel, but that development by Lilliput in Montego Bay is going to have a building that's 22 floors, over 20 floors. So, surprisingly, the capital of Jamaica and the area in Jamaica, Kingston, that has the largest population, won't have the tallest building in Jamaica. Now, before this building, the Rogers had 20 floors, it used to be the Pegasus Hotel, which was 17 floors, and that was the tallest building from the 1970s until this building last year went over 20 floors. And as you know, the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well, so I'm not surprised that hotels will now be the tallest buildings in Jamaica. The Pinnacle, 3 towers will be residential, but 1 will be a hotel. And the development at Lilliput, they're building 3 hotels there, so I'm not sure which one will be 22 floors, but it's definitely a hotel. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. This building is, I would say, moving a bit slow, but it's still moving. They're still working on it. I'm not sure why it's moving so slow, but we'll keep giving you guys updates on it. And based on where they've reached, I'm thinking maybe it's 2026 before this building is finished. If anybody purchased a unit here, I know some people commented in the section below that they purchased units. What completion date what completion date are they giving you? So you can let us know. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.